Honestly, I don't think any of us fully realized how impactful it would become. We've heard countless stories from parents and grandparents and former students about how meaningful these broadcasts are to them.
The Multimedia Club students, they pretty much do everything from start to finish, whether that's creating buffers to use during an event later that evening, from setting up the media and audio equipment before the event, to doing interviews, and then to actually running the joystick and really bringing that broadcast to everybody at home.
The coordination between the video people and the ad people and the commentators is really a lot.
I would say that this program is invaluable in the fact that it offers our students not only the opportunity to do something amazing, but it also offers the benefit of our community in receiving what our students are actually doing in the building in real time.
Bringing in the whole trailer, setting up cameras in the stands and being able to move between them and get different views was a really cool thing to do and work on this year.
I've learned a lot about networking and getting to know other people and putting myself out there.
Something I've learned so far is how to keep everything else going while other things fail on the go.
They've gained skills that if they did choose a career in this specific field, they've already been set up with the best equipment that higher level programs are using at different stages too.
If this is a career that you want to go into, it's a really, really good opportunity to develop a lot of experience. I mean, I'm only 19 and I've been doing this for around 7 years. Not a lot of people can say that they have that experience, but if you start early and you keep going with it, you can benefit yourself in a lot of ways.
People are using their Fire Stick to watch it in Arizona. They're going on vacation. Grandmas are texting me and thanking us for having games on TV while they're in Florida.
It's a great way for parents to watch their kids, and in my case, parents to hear their kids play, sing, do whatever it happens to be without, whether or not they're able to be there.
The future is not just about faster networks, it's about using those networks to strengthen communities in a meaningful way.
The value that this club brings to the members, the students that are in it, is this big family idea behind it. We got each other's backs.
The coverage from the Ralph Engelstad was unbelievable. That was fantastic. That was just I told Lisa, I said, this is professional level.
This program represents what a cooperative like Garden Valley Technologies is truly about, serving people and strengthening communities. So when you see grandparents watching their grandchildren's concerts, students gaining confidence through hands-on experience, or communities rallying around local events, you realize this is about far more than technology. It's about connection, opportunity, and community pride. And seeing something that we help support make a real difference in people's lives is one of the most fulfilling parts of what we do.